Yo, I did not trade yesterday. Well, I kind of did. I bought some options and just to see how much I make if I bought options on Snap. And even though it, I just bought some options to see how it would look. Yeah, so like I bought a Snap put. This was yesterday, dude. I was sick as fuck. I got COVID. So I didn't even trade that long. I felt awful. So I bought a $14 put to see, because I was thinking it's gonna go down to 13 because they had like some terrible news and poor guidance and whatever, and it was some bullshit because it drops down to like 350, and I didn't get, and it was still did not cost me. It cost it. I was still losing money. So I guess it's like the IV explosion or whatever. It's just and it made it worthless contract regardless of whether you're short or long. So that was like, I closed that for like a $5 loss, and then I bought like Apple an Apple call, and that made me like 15 bucks. So yeah, and I'm over here messing with my Ninja Trader because I'm about to start futures trading, because I think this is the best way to trade a small account. Is like you don't even need that much. There's no PDT rule. That's all, and all you do is just trade the market. And trading the market, to me, it's pretty simple, because like once the key level breaks, either to the upside or downside, it generally works in your favor. You could put tight stops and stuff, and I don't know. But then again, I've been watching every morning. I watch the market so I can have a plan on how I'm gonna trade my stocks. So maybe the futures could be so much better for me because I can just focus on one thing over and over and over instead of constantly looking for whatever is gapping up or whatever. And here I'm just trying to work out. This was yesterday. This is me just trying to work out the Ninja Trader, trying to get familiar with it because it was really confusing. It is confusing at first, but once you get it, it's like buying and selling a stock. I'm over here just trying to figure out what chart to go into. I think I try to buy sell short right here, but it turns out my money's not in yet. Yeah, so I checked it. My order got rejected. Let me turn on my power thing. Power toys. I gotta get the highlighter so y'all can see what I'm looking at here. Okay, yeah, so I had a rejection because I have no money. This is my account. There's no money in it. There's money in it now. Put in 1,000 so I can grow this stuff. And so I'm like, what the fuck? Because I think I put in a short. I put in a short where that blue line is. That would have been, I don't know, maybe like a 10 tick win, I guess. So yeah, then I go back here, I buy my Apple call. Then I was like, fuck it, I'm too fucking weak, I'm too tired, plus I don't feel like doing anything else. I think I get into an argument with Julie or something, somewhere around here. She told me to wear a mask because I got COVID. I'm like, no, fuck you. I'm not wearing no mask, dude. Babies don't get sick, bro. Alright, let's get to the trade I did today. Oh, yeah. This is what I'm talking about, boy. See, now I got $1,000 right there. And mainly this is just a test. I kind of woke up late because I'm still sick. But I feel better. But I woke up at like what? At like 11 or at like 10:30, I think. And I got the market, watching overall market. I'm over here just trying to figure out how to put it in order. So that's what's confusing right now. And have a take profit and a stop loss. So I like watch some videos and shit. But now that I get it now. Let's just keep it moving. Oh yeah, now I finally got my order in. So here's I got a 3 sell stop order at 39.55. because I saw that wick right there, and usually when I'm gonna assume because it's at the top. See, the market was playing at this range. Let me go ahead and let me just go ahead and fucking pull down this really quick. All right, so we're playing. Here's the 5-minute chart right here, and see how it's playing in this range. When I woke up, it was like at the top end of this range. Okay, so my thesis was, if it's gonna reject, if it's not gonna break up higher, which it could, if it breaks up higher, it's gonna go up pretty high. So, but if it could, if this is actual real resistance, I'm just gonna take the downtrend move and have look for the support breakdown at 39.55 right here. So I have my order right there. And yeah, this motherfucker drops, right? So that was my thesis. That's what's so cool about futures is like you can read breakouts or breakdowns pretty, to me they seem pretty clear. But then again, I've been watching this for a while, and sometimes you'll get like these 100 tick to 200 point candles. I've seen it. One day I'm gonna catch this, like, let me, oh, that's my chart. Let me see. Where did I put it? Like, see this, dude? Look at this. Look at that. If we were to catch a tick right here, sometimes you'll get like these breakdowns or these breakups, breakouts or whatever. So like, look, from 460, it drops all the way down. That's like 100 points, dude. One contract on micro minis, that would be like $500, dude. So even with a small account, like one contract costs $50. Okay, you're making $500, dude, if you hold it all the way through. That's insane. So I'm like, this is a potential to be very lucrative here. Okay, so let's check this out. That's why I think this should be the way to go. If you're gonna do a small account, you guys gotta get into futures. If you guys don't want to deal with the PDT rule and all that other bullshit and do something, and you want to get into trading, like I'm here watching this guy how to do a take loss profit. So I'm like, okay, so this is definitely a learning curve right now. And I'm even, this super dom is so confusing. I can't even read this level 2. Like, what is this level 2? I don't even know if this is important. Like, I'm paying for this right here. I don't know if I even need it. Probably don't. Market data. So, and here's the thing, like, if I got my sell stop, also I might do a buy stop up here if it could continue moving up, but like the risk to reward, I don't know. So I'm just like, I would be playing that, but right now I just wanted to check, do my first order and see what it's gonna look like, because I've never done this before. And let's just go ahead and fast forward. So it starts to break down, and if it never hits, it never hits. It's better to not be in a trade than to lose money. So just waiting on. I left. I'm gonna go eat food. Boom, it hits it. Okay, and I come back and I'm like, okay, it hit it. I'm like, oh, I'm making $1. That's what I thought. I was like, $1, 50 cents. I was confused. I was like, okay, was I supposed to get more contracts? But then I look at my unrealized, and it's definitely a lot more. I think it's $5 a tick. And now I'm just like, how do I set my take profit and my stop loss? So I was like, what the fuck? What I was supposed to do, I was supposed to go to my positions right here, and I was supposed to apply this strategy. my stop loss take profit strategy right here. I was supposed to apply that on my position board, and yeah, so now I was just like, what the fuck? But I didn't know that until I watched the video again. So as soon as it drops down really hard, I decided to just buy, take profit. I went to go ahead and buy from the market right here. I locked it in. And then I wanted to buy one more, but for some reason my quantity was at 2. Is my quantity like default at 2? I don't know what happened. I just know that I bought 2. Yeah, so I sold out at this. I accidentally sold 2. I wanted to hold I wanted to hold 1 with my stop like at break even and see if it can go down further to like 39.30, and it goes down that low, but it actually comes right back up. So I would have got stopped out anyways. And so now I'm trying to, but now I should be more clear. I didn't want to take any more trades. I had one more trade I was gonna do, but then I want to go take a break. I was like, fuck it, I'm too tired. So I had like another order at, what was it? Yeah, 39.44. And 39.44, but I canceled that order just because I'm like, what if it continues this downtrend? So I have mine at 39.44, I think right here. And let's take a look at that. Yeah, 39.44, somewhere around here. Or is it right here? It goes down to, it would have been like a 7-point winner or 10-tick winner or something like that. But I'd rather not trade right now anyways, because it's playing in this, it's chopping around in this area, so it's kind of hard to figure out like what's it really want to do, and the breakdowns that happen aren't even like that extreme. So there's a saying, they say don't diddle in the middle, and so I guess I'll just wait for a better setup tomorrow, and I'll just take my I made $82. That's pretty good, dude. 3 contracts dropped down to about 5 ticks, 7 ticks. My stop would have been like 5 ticks at 39.60. And yeah, that was pretty solid. I'm like, wow, you can actually make some pretty good money, I think. $82 ain't nothing, but if I was to scalp this, there'll be days when everything's gonna look super sweet, you know. But right now the market is super chop zone, super choppy, and those are the scariest times. So yeah, I put my order in, and I just cancel it, and I'm like, nah, I don't feel like it. I don't feel like managing a trade right now. I'm just gonna chill. I just wanted to see what the orders look like. Yeah, dude, I'll probably be trading futures for a minute, man. This is I could see the potential here, and it's not as extreme. Like, stocks are fucking bullshit, bro. Well, stocks are fun. I still want to trade stocks, cause you could make a lot of money from that too if you're like super good. But yeah, let's see how this turns out. But this is so much better. Like, if you're a small account person, if you're trying to grow a small account, bro, go this route. Go this route. No bullshit PDT. No trying to trade like three trades in a row. Oh, this looks good. This could actually probably push up to 39.70. would I take the breakout? I'll be taking breakouts. I'll be doing not market, but stops. Just to ride. I'm just trying to ride the momentum, ride the trend. I think I have a higher win-loss ratio with that. But yeah, I have no idea what this market wants to do. It looks like it's trying to break out of this downtrend. But I think we need like a really big market catalyst. Okay, whatever. See, dude, I'm just my energy is so low. I can't even talk. Yeah.